Hello
This
guys,
conference will now be recorded.
good morning everyone.
Morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Morning, sir.
Good morning. Let's continue the same topic, service catalog. In that we are going to discussing about order gate. Today already we seen how to configure order gate. First of all, what is order gate? So when you want to generate the bulk items in the single request, so that moment the customer have to use onboard like order gate. So when you submitted all initial details and you can submit it, automatically request number will be generated. In that request number may contain a number of RITMs, request items. Okay, so when we can use this kind of order gates in ServiceNow platform, for example, a new employee recently joined in the organization. So basically, they don't know what are the items are required to start their work. That case, okay, people they can use order like a onboarding order gate. So when the people is onboarded, they can using onboarding order gate. They can requesting bulk items based on the rule base. So yesterday already created order guide and configure different variables into it. Now I'm going to show how to configure the rule base. Rule base is the most important. Okay, so now let's navigate it to order guide, orders, order guide. Open our order guide is order guide, onboarding order guide. And meanwhile, let me open service portal as well. Onboarding order guide. This onboarding order guide almost I have configured 18 variables. So now we are going to configure the rule base. A rule base is the very important in order guide. Based on the rule and eligibility criteria, we have to providing the different services kind of items. Go to rule base, and now I'm going to configure the different rules. Based on the rule, we are deploying the items to the customer. Okay, so this tab position order is 100. This tab position order is 100. And so when customer selected, the first rule is, so when the person is working from home, are you working from home? This is the one question in onboarding order guide. So when they have selected, are you working from home, option is yes. So we are providing corporate VPN. So customer need to be like connecting from home, right? So they have to use corporate VPN. We are deploying corporate VPN. So how many VPN connections we have to provide? Only quantity one, and submit. This is the first rule. And the second rule is go to second rule base and wait until form loaded and define the condition. So employment type. Where is the question? Employment type. Employment type when customer is selected permanent. So we are providing Apple Mac Pro 15. Apple MacBook Pro 15 laptop. So this is tab order number 200. And the same order tab and a third rule is in case when customer selected employment type is contract, so we have to provide office desktop. When customer selected, employment type is contract. So we have to deploy Office desktop. And the third rule base is when customer is selected, are you working from are you working night shift? When customer selected and he's working in night shift, so we are providing Apple iPod 3, and this is the tab order number 300. Are you working in night shift? Yes, customer selected as. So we are providing Apple iPod 3. So Apple iPod 3 is a music machine and submit. And fourth rule is so when employee department is belongs to IT related department, that may be when employee department is is one of only one is when employee department is IT, so we can deploy Samsung mobile, Samsung Galaxy 57 Edge, Samsung Galaxy 57 Edge, tab order number 400. So other than IT department, we are not providing any mobiles. And the last position 500, employee designation is one of employee designation is one of architect, developer, IT technician, junior developer, programmer, project manager, release manager. If you selected any one of that employee designation, so we can deploy BlackBerry, BlackBerry Jet 10, and submit. So I have configured root base. Now let me click on the right button for preview. Okay. See, no need to fill these all the details, not required, non mandatory. So employee people manager, you can select somebody, Adam Ringel. So employment type is permanent. Are you working from home? Yes, I'm working from home. And are you working night shift? Yes, I'm working night shift. So employee department is IT and employee designation is IT technician. Then mobile color is mirror black. Actually, you will get two mobiles. One is that employee department is IT, you will get the one mobile, and employee designation is the BlackBerry and Samsung, he will get the two mobile, right? So two mobile color will be mirror black. Okay, so click on choose option. So you are eligibility to get these all items: corporate VPN, Apple Mac Pro 15, so Apple iPod 3, Samsung Galaxy 57. So corporate VPN is selected, a corporate VPN for, so is selected working from home. And Apple Mac Pro 15 is permanent employee and is working night shift. That's why we are providing this mobile, like this Apple iPod 3 and Samsung Galaxy Finance because the designation or like a department is IT. And finally checkout. So you are eligible to get these all items according to your initial details. And once again, finally check out the onboarding order gate. So when you check out, automatically the request has been submitted and one request number will be generated. This request number will be defining so how many items you are getting through this request. So when you are order this placed through order gate, right? And you are eligible to get these all four items. Each item you will be able to get the status. Directly go to stage field and other details, description and order gate, delivery time. So all the details we can be able to find out individually for each item. Okay, and if you go to catalog from service portal and go to browse by category, and where is my onboarding order guide? Go to can we help you? An onboarding order guide, employee information, right? You can fulfill any employment type is permanent. Are you working from home? Yes. Customers are always accessing these all the record producers and order guide from where? Service portal only. Are you working night shift? Yes, I'm working night shift. Employee department is IT. Select the IT. And employee designation is you can select anything, architect, and mobile color is pearl white. And next, so when you submitted your order guide, so it is showing how many items you are eligibility. So how many items you will get it, and you are eligible to get these all items, right? Corporate VPN, Apple Mac Pro, Apple iPod 3, and Samsung. And two mobiles are not required. This case, customer will be able to disable one item. So I'm not going to including for this request. So I don't want to get the Apple iPod 3 and mobile also. I don't want two mobiles. It's enough. Then click on next and then request and check out. Right? So you are eligible to get Apple Mac Pro 15 and corporate VPN. So these two items are enough to start your work. Okay. So now I'm going to working with mobile color cascading variable. And other scenario, go to the catalog and browse by category. Can we help you? Onboarding order guide. And once again, let me fulfill the details. And employee information like employee employee people manager something you can select. Employment type is this moment I'm selecting contract. Are you working from home? No, I'm not working from home, and I am working in person. And are you working night shift? No, I'm not working night shift. Employee designation is non-IT. It's a HR, and employee designation is like you can select anything. And mobile color you can select like a pearl white and next. So you are eligibility to get only the one item. It's Office desktop based on the install form filling in order gate. So according to your rule-based configuration, you will getting these all items. This moment, based on your form filling, you are eligibility to get these all items. Okay, so click on next and request. Now request type is a request, right? You are eligibility to get these all items. Clear, guys?
Srinivas, I have one doubt. In the developer instance, yesterday you have created one order guide, right?
Yes, correct.
Yeah, can you go to that order guide in the developer
Yeah,
instance?
this is developer instance, right? I'm in developer instance.
Yeah, yeah,
This is
yeah.
order gate,
So,
onboarding order gate.
yeah, onboarding order guide. So, what is this two-step field? What does it do below the
Actually, this is
category?
working on like a workflow. For example, you are configure one workflow. This workflow is attached to this item, this work order guide. So that moment, what happened? You want to skipping all the approvals. Just now, I need to complete this workflow within only two steps. You have to enable the two steps. Okay.
Okay,
So we can discuss later when we're working with like workflow. Workflow is the next concept. After
okay,
completed this service catalog application, we can move to the workflow, right? That moment we can discuss more on that. Okay, so now this moment, so I'm going to working with cascade variable. So what is the importance of the cascade variable? So when customer selected, the customer department is IT, so we are like deploying a Samsung Galaxy 57 Edge. Okay, customer is selected the mobile color is something, right? And go to Samsung like item, maintain item, directly navigated to maintain items, Samsung Galaxy 57 Edge. Let me open, let me open Samsung Galaxy 57 Edge. Open Samsung Galaxy 57 Edge. Okay, so we have a different variables already created. They didn't create any variables, right? The requirement is okay. So when customer selected customer department is IT, so we are deploying Samsung Galaxy 57 Edge. So which color, mobile color they are expecting? So which one they have selected from order gate? Okay. So same variable we have to create here. First of all, go to my catalog item and a new, create new variable. Now I'm going to show how to configure variables into item level also. What is the variable I have created? Same variable you can take here. Onboarding auto guide, mobile color. So go to mobile color, multiple choice, same variable you can color select here, mobile color or mobile color. Okay, then we can save it. Same choices we have to create into the item level also. Okay, light green, mirror black, light green, light green, mirror black. Mirror black. Third one is pearl white and light blue. Pearl white, and last one is light blue. It's what is the importance of cascade variable when you fulfill the initial, like when you fulfill the value of the like any variable from initial order gate, same value can carry forward to item level also. For example, mobile color is the one variable which is available in my order gate, and the same variable is available in that item level also. When you provide it in catalog order gate, same value should be like carry forward to item level also. Customer don't want to fulfill the mobile code again into the item level. Okay, in that case we're using cascading variable. Now back to onboarding order guide. Order guide, onboarding order guide. Open onboarding order guide. Okay, click on right button, and employment type is permanent. Are you working from US? Are you working in night shift as? Employee designation is IT technician. Employee department is IT. So when customer selected employee department IT, we are providing the Samsung Galaxy 57 Edge. So customer is selecting the mobile color is pearl white. They have to provide in the pearl white, right? Option, and the Samsung Galaxy 57 Edge. If you open the same like this item, okay. So customer is selected the pale white, right? In order gate, but the value is not carry forward mobile color, right? So customer again they have to select the pearl white into the item level, but my requirement is different. So when customer selected any mobile color in order gate, same value should be like carry forward to the item level also. This moment is not selecting, right? Because cascading variable is not enabled. So order gate, open onboarding order gate, and select the cascading variable, save it. So when you click on right button and fulfill all initial details, employment type is contract, no, no. Employee department is IT. So the person is eligible to get Samsung Galaxy 57 Edge. Okay. And so which color he is expecting? Light blue. Customer is selected light blue as the color, right, of this like Samsung Galaxy 57 Edge, and click on choose option. So he is eligible to get Office Desktop and Samsung Galaxy 57. So which color customer selected? Like a light blue, right? Light blue, but still the value is not carry forward. So why? What is the reason behind it? Just a second. Go to onboarding order gate and open onboarding order gate. When customer select any value from initial form, same value should be auto populated into item level also. That is the importance of cascading variable. It's the checkbox is not enabled. So go to try it. Once again, you can fulfill the details. Contract, yes, no. Designation something you can select. Department is IT. Is expecting mirror black color, and choose option. Customer is selected mirror black. Okay, and go to Samsung Galaxy 57. Okay, same like this item also contain the same like variable, right? Mobile color. We have different choices in the into this mobile color variable. Customer is selected mirror black in order guide. Same values carry forward to item level also. No need to select the again and again. Customer is selected which the color of mobile mirror black. The mirror black value same as is selected in item level also. That is the importance of cascading variable, which is most important question interview also. What is the importance of cascade variable? So when customer fulfill the details in initial form, same values when you want to carry forward to the item level also. Okay, that moment we have to enable the checkbox cascade variable, but both variables should be same. Okay, clear? Guys, any questions up to now?
Sir, even it's irrelevant question. Can we perform the same using catalog item?
No, in catalog item is the individual item, right? I mean,
Yeah,
for
yeah.
example,
There we have different tasks. So
just a wait. Navigate it to catalog,
okay,
browse
sir.
by
We'll
catalog.
discuss later. Answer is no.
No
Okay.
problem, no problem. See, standard laptop is one item. If you want to request in this item, directly you can select any item, and item level also you can be able to configure the variables. So while requesting the standard laptop, okay, you need any software you need to install, so enable the checkbox and provide additional comments, then you can order it simply. Okay,
Okay.
the order guide is different. So, for example, when you want to get a mouse, keyboard, pen, paper, locker, chair, every item you can select individually, then you can request it, and automatically you can get it. But order guide is not like that. Order guide is we can requesting bulk items in a single request based on that eligibility criteria and rule base. Okay,
Yeah, yeah. I thought a phone, laptop, and all we can have tasks. So I thought in that way, different tasks.
that,
But
that
okay.
so that moment what I am doing, so directly we are fulfilling that items like variables in the item level, right?
Yeah, it's very easy. Yes, yes. Okay, sir. Got it. Got it. Thank you.
Okay. Any other questions, guys? Guys, do you have any questions before move to another topic? No, right? Okay. So now we are going to talking about how to configure the variables into item level. Okay, now let's take the one more item. It is iPhone 13s Pro. How can you configure the catalog item? Directly go to maintain item as per the client requirement. Recently, iPhone 13s Pro mobiles has been like release right. Go to maintain item, click on new item. The mobile name is iPhone 13s Pro. This iPhone 13s Pro mobile need to be populate for which catalog? Service catalog. Which category? Mobile category. And is the owner of this catalog item. And if you want to provide more details, you can provide. Requesting. And specifications. If you want to provide the more specifications which are relevant to this iPhone 13s Pro, those specifications we have to provide. Now I'm going to getting the iPhone 13s specifications. iPhone is all our specifications. Okay. Just I'm giving the meta tag 13s Pro. and go to the process engine. When we working with workflow, that moment we can discuss more on process engine, how to configure new workflow for this particular catalog item. And if you want to add any pictures, we can be able to add the pictures. Readiness proof, go to here, icon, choose file, desktop, readiness proof. So it's not supporting. Readiness pro. Yes. Save it. Okay. So if you want to add the picture as well, this is the desktop icon. If you want to add the picture also, you can be able to add the picture. Same image you can add once again. Click on OK. And go to the pricing. Go to pricing. $2,000. The tracking price will be $100 monthly. And portal settings. Suppose if you want to hide the cart, customer will be able to show the cart right while submitting, requesting any item. See browse by category and select. You can select any item. This is cart, right? If you want to hide the cart, you need to enable the checkbox. If you want to hide the quantity, okay, so you can be able to hide the quantity also. If you want to hide the all the components, you can be able to hide it. Hide delivery time, hide attachment, okay, hide wish list also in service portal. And update iPhone 13s Pro and go to service portal, go to catalog, browse by category, hardware, mobiles, iPhone 13s Pro. Okay, let me open iPhone 13s Pro. These are the specifications about iPhone 13s Pro. So we could not see any cart because I have disabled all the components I don't want to show to the customer. Only we can see order now. So click on order now and check out. Order will be placed and we can see all the details about your order. Okay, clear? And now this item level, I'm going to create in the variables. So what are the variables are required? So while requesting this catalog item, customer need to fulfill some important details. And how to configure the variables in item level? Go to the catalog item and the variables, click on new. Mobile color, mobile colors, name will be take automatically. First question, order number 100, multiple choice and save it. Question choices, white, cream, all the choices need to be displayed following order. Last one, white, cream, gold, and black. Update, create two more variables, variable, extended RAM up to. By default, they're giving 4 GB RAM, extended memory up to. Extended memory up to. Multiple choice, save it. 6 GB, 8 GB, 16 GB, let us see. And update and create one more last variable into same catalog item, extended memory up to. This is the RAM capacity different, memory capacity different. Okay, so extended memory up to, extended memory up. And if you want to include null value also, you can include the null value. Go to the multiple choice. If you want to include null value, you can include. Choice direction will be cross or down. Saved. One variable name is already there now, right? Let me change the name. Extended memory up to already created, right? It's a RAM. It's again the wrong name. Okay. Previously RAM, right? It's memory. Open extend memory up to, by default they're given 16 GB RAM. If you want to extend it to any more, 32 GB, 4 GB, twenty-eight. Hundred. Create one more last, 256 GB, 56 GB, 400. Then update and try it. Okay, this is iPhone 13s Pro mobile. So these are all specifications relevant to this iPhone 13s mobile. And then, so while requesting this item, what is the extended memory RAM up to 8 GB, and you are expecting any extended memory up to 128, and the mobile color is gold. Then you can order now. Okay, so your order will be placed, and here we can see all the details: description of item, delivery estimated date, stays, price, quantity, and total. So we can be able to configure variables into item level also. So while requesting any item, they have to fulfill the some variable details. So when you are getting the extra specification for that particular mobile, clear? Clear, guys. Tomorrow I can show you how to configure user criteria. User criteria is most important topic in like item level, right? So for example, iPhone 13s mobile I have been implemented. This iPhone 13s mobile need to be populate only IT department. So for example, system administrator try to request this iPhone 13s mobile. Okay, go to the catalog and browse by category. So system administrator is try to requesting iPhone 13s mobile. First of all, this person should be belongs to IT department. If the person is current login user is not belongs to IT department, system is not showing, service catalog is not showing iPhone 13s mobile. So how can you achieve this requirement and how to configure the user criteria? So tomorrow we can working with user criteria and variable attributes. Then last one is reference qualified. These three I will be covering tomorrow. Okay, guys, I'm going to end up class today. See you.